Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create a crowd simulations just in one click by using the iClone 8 and then send it to Blender 4 to make it become a crowd prop just like this. You can see at the beginning this is iClone 8 3D animation software. I can create any of the crowd simulation in just one click and finally import into Blender. And this is really awesome, and this is the easiest way to create crowds for your 3D animations, both in iClone 8 and also in Blender. Alright, so start from now, I'm going to show you the step by step. So now in iClone 8, I'm going to just start a fresh new project. Everything start from beginning, and at the Blender, I'm going to clear everything. I'm going to clear everything, just click here, File, New, General, and I don't save anything. So both all clear already. Right, the first step, what we are going to do is just create a crowd simulation in iClone 8. This is the first step. So in iClone 8, here, by default, it will show you the workplace as standard. Then go to the actor group. So it is under project, this is the content, under content templates, under the pack, scroll up, click the project, then the actor group is here. So again, under the project, template, project, actor group. So double click it. Then under the project here, you can see all of this. You can create the actor group, you can create the crowd simulation in just one click. You can see, let's say this is 2 stands actor, I drag and drop into the scene. It is going to create 2 guys, and you can see the preset is 2 male. You can change it to female as well and tick randomize actor. Then here, randomize everything, click randomize. You can just create 2 female. Alright. Then I close this, it is going to fix it already. Next, I can drag again. 2 people stand together, and for this time I want to set some variations like drinking water, drink water. 1 male and 1 female both stand and drink. Then randomize it already, okay. So I don't randomize, I just click OK. So in iClone 8, there are totally 5 actor group presets that you can create the crowd simulations easily. So 3 waiting together, 3 waiting, like line up and waiting. You can just drag and drop and randomize it. It is pretty easy. You can randomize it as well, all of the actor if you want. So if you click randomize, then it is going to shuffle everything and change the avatar, change the 3D. Right now you can see it's random already. Now you close it. If you try to play here, you can see the whole crowd. So you can see every people's have their movements. Then actually you already generated the crowds. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to just import everything into Blender to make it become the crowds in your Blender. So it is really easy. You just need to go to the scenes. Make sure you open all of the avatar group. So totally 3 groups here. So just select it. You can see. Don't select the box. You can just hold the control buttons, then click one by one until all selected. Don't select the box, just select the people. So all selected already. There's one more here. Who is this? This is a spring pinner. Alright, now done. Once done selected, click File, Export the FBX. The Target 2 preset, choose Blender. This is very important. And the FPS, to fit into the Blender, the FPS you must choose 24. This is compulsory. The export range, you have to choose the range because all of the animations are this range. It is about 1800 frames here. Then make sure you embed the texture, click export. And as demo, I'm going to export it on my desktop. I just right click to create a new folder, name this as crowd01. The file name, okay, I double click in, the save file name as FBX file. I'm going to name this as crowd01 as well. I click save. Now, from the iClone 8, it is exporting the FBX file. You just need to wait for a while. It is saving. Wait until 100%. Alright, now it almost done. Alright, now you can see it already exported. We are going to import it into Blender 4. Now everything is here. This is an FBX file. So next, open your Blender 4. You press A to delete everything. You press A to select all and press delete button to delete everything. Then click File, Import, FBX, import from the desktop, crowd01. This one, double click and import it. Then now you can see you already successfully imported the crowds. Then to check it, you have to turn on the texture. And all of these skeletons, you have to make sure you unseen everything because we don't want to see the skeleton. Next, you try to play and check. You can see all of the crowds already have the motions and even mouth talking animations. So everything perfect. Next, we just need to set the material because there are many of these light reflections. We just click it one by one, go to the material. The roughness, change it to 1 and press enter. Roughness, change it to 1 and press enter. Just make it one by one. Right, now there's no more light reflections and everything look perfect. We just have a view from, let's say from here. We try to play. Alright, now it is exactly same as the original crowds in iClone 8 3D animation software. Now you already successfully export everything into Blender and you can render your 3D animation at here. And you can put all of these crowds as your background scenes, all of the random peoples on the street, etc. Or in a big 3D scene, you can just put a lot of crowds here. And all of these 3D models are just low poly. It is easy for you to render. Right. So the iClone 8, the latest update, the iClone 8.4, this is the latest feature that in iClone 8.4, you can just create the crowds in just one click, and this is really awesome. If you not yet get the iClone 8, you can just go to my video descriptions, click into the iClone 8 link, then it will lead you to the official sites, and you can purchase from the Reallusions. Then you can get all of this feature and make your 3D animations easier by creating these random crowds. Just in one click, you can create any crowds and randomize everything. Then it really look awesome. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create the crowd simulations by using the iClone 8 and send it to Blender 4.0 to make it a 3D scenes. Just put all the crowds behind your 3D scenes and you can render it. This is the easiest way to create the crowds. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. You can get the iClone 8 from my video descriptions. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you.